A port. It may look like just another commercial harbor. Ships come in, cargo goes out, trade keeps moving. But in modern warfare, a port can become one of the most valuable military objectives. Recently, Russia's Ministry of Defense released footage claiming a precision strike on the port of Chornomorsk in Ukraine's Odesa region. According to the official statement, several vessels were hit: a patrol boat, a ferry, a dry cargo ship, and a fishing vessel that Russia claims had been modified to launch unmanned surface vehicles, or USVs. If true, this would represent more than a strike on ships. It would be an attack on logistics, on mobility, and on operational capability. But how much of this claim has actually been independently verified? And what could this operation mean for the wider conflict in the Black Sea? Let's take a closer look. Chornomorsk is far more than a commercial port. It sits on Ukraine's Black Sea coastline, just south of Odesa. For years, it has been one of Ukraine's most important maritime gateways. Grain exports, industrial goods, commercial shipping. Everything has passed through this harbor, but war changes the value of infrastructure. Ports are no longer just economic assets. They become logistical hubs, places where equipment arrives, supplies move, and military transport can be supported. In the footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense, drone strikes appear to target several vessels moored inside the harbor. Russia claims these vessels had military significance. However, there is an important distinction. These are official Russian claims. At the time of this analysis, independent verification confirming every reported target has not yet been publicly available. In any conflict, separating verified facts from official statements is essential. That is the only way to build an objective understanding of events. Modern warfare is not fought only in trenches. It is also fought through logistics. An army cannot operate without supplies. Vehicles need fuel. Artillery needs ammunition. Drone units require replacement parts. Everything depends on transportation, and ports are often the starting point. If military supplies move through maritime routes, disrupting those routes can slow operations far behind the front line. According to Russia's Ministry of Defense, the purpose of the strike was to reduce Ukraine's ability to transport weapons and military equipment within the Black Sea operational area. Whether that objective was fully achieved remains unclear. The actual extent of the reported damage has not yet been independently confirmed, nor has the operational status of every vessel mentioned in the Russian statement. For now, the broader military impact remains under close observation. The Black Sea is no longer just a shipping route. It has become a testing ground for modern military technology. Long-range drones, precision missiles, satellite surveillance, electronic warfare, and increasingly, unmanned surface vehicles. Over the past few years, naval drones have changed the way maritime operations are conducted. They are smaller, harder to detect, and capable of striking valuable targets far from traditional naval battles. If a port is believed to support those operations, it may become a priority target. But once again, that remains part of Russia's official narrative. Independent confirmation is still limited. What is beyond dispute is that every strike on critical port infrastructure carries wider consequences, not only for military operations, but also for trade, shipping insurance, regional supply chains, and overall stability across the Black Sea. That is why developments in this region continue to attract global attention. So, what do you think? Could attacks on strategic ports become even more common as the conflict continues? Has the war entered a new phase, where logistics are becoming just as important as the battlefield itself? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the discussion respectful, thoughtful, and based on evidence. If you enjoy in-depth military and geopolitical analysis presented in a balanced and informative way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future episodes. Disclaimer: this video is intended for educational, analytical, and informational purposes only. It discusses publicly available reports and official statements regarding an ongoing conflict. Some claims mentioned in this video originate from parties involved in the conflict and may not have been independently verified at the time of publication. This content does not promote, endorse, or justify violence by any side and aims solely to provide context and analysis for public understanding.